We help organizations create unique recognition experiences for unbelievable achievements celebrated at their organizations.
It is something that is done a lot by hand. Stone setting, polishing, things we do here in West Michigan in our facility.
Whether it be a ring, whether it be a pin, an award, I think it's amazing what we provide in terms of the whole process to the end result.
We have over 100 years experience of doing just that in a way that is different than any other company in the world can do.
It's a one-stop shop here. When it comes in, it's a raw material, and we're done. It's specialized for the customer and the company themselves.
Boy, I remember when I was a little kid, my grandmother worked here before World War I. When I was little, my mom brought me in to see her, and the counter looked so big, and I just never thought I'd work here.
One thing that hasn't changed, to me, it's still the craftsmanship. It's bringing these pieces of metal alive.
A lot of us have been here for many years, and even the new kids coming up seem pretty interested.
Symbolic awards are very important. People will feel something, whether you're getting the award or you're in the audience, and you'll realize that leadership took the time to deliver a strong message that can carry on throughout the year. You want to be able to have something that is going to have long-term value.
Symbolic recognition is critical to any recognition program because it's truly about something you've earned.
You're 3 times more likely to remember that moment if there's something that you can take away physically and hold, and the people that are witnessing the recognition take place are impacted too.
One of the things I admire most about our team at Terryberry is how they truly care about the experience their customers and their customers' employees have.
From each piece, you're going to have close to 15 to 20 hands that's going to touch those. A lot of it's still done by hand.
Each piece is done individually. It's not part of a big cookie cutter thing. Each one gets its own respect, and all of our skills combine to make it a good finished product.
We do everything in-house, from design to 3D print, to casting, to stone setting, polishing, making the boxes, putting it all together.
You watch the passion that these guys have. It's amazing.
There's a lot of work goes into that, and if you really look close, it's there. You'll be able to see it.
We have to get it right. These are people that are entrusting us with their logos, their brand, their identity, their people, their culture.
We take pride in providing a really unique product, one that's customizable, one that no one else may have.
And the vast breadth of individuals we need is unbelievable. Yet, we're all doing that with a common cause, which is to have people feel appreciated and recognized for what they do. And that is exciting.